Hi friends, so I had a lot of questions last week about how to get to iReady, and so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you're going to log in, so this is ClassLink, so if you're still not quite sure, this is how you get to Schoology. So this is the site that you go to, and it's the same site as how you access iReady. So you type in launchpad.classlink.com/manateeschools. And then you click on to sign in, and then this is where you type in your student's number and then their password. Everybody's passwords are PRIDE, Pride. So I'm going to type in my stuff, which my stuff's different obviously than yours. Okay, so this is what yours should kind of look like. Mine has more tiles than your students, but everything is still right here. So if I scroll down, there's Schoology, so that's where you guys obviously have been working. So when you are in Schoology, and you come to the page that says, we'll get there. When you see this, iReady Reading or Imagine, it says go to iReady Reading or Imagine Learning and do 20 minutes of learning. So when you get to that page, what you're going to do is you're going to click out of Schoology. So I'm going to just click up here where it says my school district in Manatee County, and I'm going to click that. And then it brings me back to this little place. If you're in Schoology for too long, the ClassLink page will probably log you out, so you just have to log back in again, and you'll still get to this page. So we're going to find iReady, and iReady looks like this. So you'll see a little box with green, blue, and orange, and when you click on it, you'll be asked to go to either choose a subject. So you'll either choose reading or you'll choose math. So when I was in Schoology, I was in the reading folder, okay? So that means that I need to go to iReady, and I need to click on reading and do 20 minutes of reading, okay? Now, it also says Imagine Learning. So some of your kiddos go to Imagine Learning, okay? And if you're not sure if your student goes to Imagine Learning, please send me a dojo message and I can let you know. Or I probably, Monday morning, I'm probably going to send parents a message saying, hey, your kiddo goes to Imagine Learning. So if they go to Imagine Learning, they do not have to go to iReady for reading. They still have to go to iReady for math though. Everybody goes to iReady Math. Only some students go to Imagine Learning during reading time, okay? So if your student doesn't go to Imagine Learning, you're just going to go to iReady for everything, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. But if your student does go to Imagine, I'm going to show you what that tile looks like. So I'm going to come back in here to ClassLink. So this is my iReady tile. This is my Imagine Learning tile. So I would click on that, and it's going to say, are you this person, your child, hopefully is what it says, and you're just going to click yes, and it'll take you right into your Imagine Learning lesson. And you're still going to do 20 minutes of Imagine. Okay, so if you go to Imagine, you do not have to go to iReady Reading. Okay, so if you're in the reading folder, you're going to go to either iReady Reading, or if your kid goes to Imagine, you're only going to do Imagine. Okay, then if I come out and let's say I'm doing math, and it says iReady Math, everybody is going to do iReady Math. You see that it doesn't say Imagine Learning, okay? So everybody needs to go in and click on this little iReady tile, and they need to click on Math, okay? So it's really important. I saw a lot of kiddos who were in iReady last week, but they had a ton of reading minutes or they had a ton of math minutes, but they didn't have any of the other subjects, okay? So make sure that when you're in the reading folder and it tells you to go to iReady, that you do iReady Reading. And if you're in the math folder, make sure that you go in and you do iReady Math, okay? Or if you go to Imagine, make sure that they do 20 minutes of Imagine, and then during math time they go in and they do their 20 minutes of math. Okay, so that's really the only thing that you'll have to leave Schoology for, just to make it a little bit easier on you guys and your kiddos, because they know iReady and they know Imagine. So if you have any more questions about that, I know some people it said that the browser wasn't working. Make sure that you're using Google Chrome. Down here it says Google Chrome, because Internet Explorer does not work. Okay, so make sure that your computer has Google Chrome. If your computer doesn't have Google Chrome, you can easily download it on the computer. It's free, so you just go into Google and you find Google Chrome and you download it, so it's not a big deal. But the other browsers won't work. It only works with Google Chrome. Let's see if there's anything else. If you have Google Chrome and you're still seeing the message that says that it's not working, please let me know, and then I can talk to our tech person, Mr. Wagner, and he can try and figure something out, and then I can let you guys know, or I can have him call you guys for some help. Okay, so that is how you get to iReady or Imagine. Make sure that they're doing their reading and their math. Okay, if you have any more questions, let me know. If you're not sure which one your student goes on, just send me a dojo message and I can let you know. Hopefully that helps.